everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a quick and simple process on how to download Zerion wallet application for your PC. So in order to do that, first, you'll need to download an Android emulator for your PC. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and open a web browser and go to bluestacks.com on a web browser. Search for it and then it'll take you to the official site for BlueStacks. Now you'll be able to see the download link for the app. Go ahead and download the BlueStacks Android emulator. Make sure to pick the right version for yourself according to your device, and then once the download is completed, run the installer on your PC by clicking on Open File. Follow through the installation process for BlueStacks, and once it is done, double-click it to open it up. Wait until the BlueStacks loads on your PC. It'll then take you to the main homepage of BlueStacks. From the side menu, click on this App Player button. Once you load up your BlueStacks app player, you'll end up in this interface. Now, go to the search box and type in Zerion Wallet and search. If you don't find the application in the search results, click on the Search in Google Play button. You'll also need to enter your Google account's credentials in order to end up in this page. Once you find the Zerion Wallet application displayed on the screen, click on the Install button and wait until the application is downloaded. Once the download and installation is completed, click on the Open button. Then you'll be able to launch Open Zerion Wallet for your PC. So that is how you can easily download Zerion Wallet for your PC. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.